Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today on this channel, I will be showing you guys how to basically hire workers on this platform called Microworkers. I had some issues when I was trying to hire initially. I didn't know how to go about it. So after I had taken some time to understand the website, I decided to make this video so it can help you. So step by step, easily how you can hire workers on this platform. So many people use this platform to hire workers to do micro tasks for them. It could be surveys, it could be email sign-ups, it could be YouTube comments, Facebook post likes, shares, comments, and all of that. So whatever tasks you have, whatever you might want these workers here to do, just come on this platform and then get that done. So I'm logging in into my accounts, as you can see. So we have $57 on our account. So we could use for more promotions. I actively use this platform to do a lot of tasks. Ever since I discovered how to use it, I've been using it a whole lot. So you can see, you can sort by, if you want to work on the platform, you can sort by most paying. You can see you could get as much as $3 for a tax. You could get as 2.9 to the 1.37 and all of that for completing several tasks on this platform. Then you could just click in to see what task you have to complete. You can see for this $3 offer, what you have to do is download, install, sign up, and then upload video proof. Then you $3 in the back. All right. So these are the countries that are accepted: UAE, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, Algeria, Egypt, and all of these countries. So if you don't qualify for this, if you are not in any of these countries, then you will not be allowed to partake in this particular one. So you could see the instructions here: go here, do this, and all of that. So you just do all of that and then submit and then get paid. Okay, so this video is not actually for, or is not for workers, people looking to find jobs here. I'm making this video specifically for those who want to hire, the whole setup process. So what you have to do first, once you're on this website, is to come to where it says my campaigns. All right. Okay. So once you come to where it says my campaign, you will see basic campaigns. Like it's asking you, do you want to set basic campaigns up? Do you want to set higher group campaigns, group of workers, best of your workers, etc. Now, once you start working on this platform, you're gonna have what we call best workers. So best workers means a group of workers, who they have done some great jobs for you, like people you really love and you trust. So once you give them a task, they do it. Out of 100, you might always have like 70% doing the work accurately. The remaining 30% might try to play you and all of that. So what you do is group the 70% into a certain group and then name them best workers. So anytime you have a task, you could just push it to those 70 persons. All right. The same thing with group of workers. Then basic campaign is, as a newbie, like if you want to start a fresh campaign, you just start up your basic campaign. But what I like doing basically is to start up with the higher group campaigns. What this does is that micro workers already grouped these workers for you. They've already put them into groups based on location, based on certain identities. So what you have to do is just pick them in that group and then get started. Like for example, if we click on higher group campaigns now, you see I have two campaigns. I'm waiting for approval. So what you have, once you click in, here will be empty on your own screen. You only see this start. So you just click on here, start. Okay. So once you start, you can see my own favorite is 100. I have 100 favorite workers, which, but I don't want to use that. I want to use the micro worker groups. All right. So you come here and you can select from a list of groups here. All right, guys. You can see international workers. We have over 2,947,320 workers. Top earners, 1,000 of workers. Top performers, 4,612 workers. Top US workers, and all that. So it depending on what you want to do. If what you want to do is a Chinese offer, or you want to promote something for Chinese persons, or you want to share to Chinese Facebook groups or whatever, you just come here and select Chinese speaking countries. If what you want to do is targeted on US workers, just select US workers. You can see we have 82,000 of them. If what you want to do is focused on the EEA workers, you just select that. All right. So if it's Canadian workers, the same thing. Okay. So that is why I like using the micro workers group. They already group these workers, into, based on their identities. So what do you want to do? Do you want him to, is it a qualification, a project? Is it a offer sign up? Is it content moderation, data transcription, translation? What exactly do you want these guys to do? So if you can't find, if what you want to do is kind of abstract, that means you can't find it here. Then what you simply do is just go on to click on others, all right? So others means it's not among these ones here, right? So this task takes less than 3 minutes. If yours takes less than 1 minute, you could change it to 1 minute. What available positions? How many workers are you looking to, have complete this task? You could put it 100. You could put it 50. You could change the figures or whatever. I like starting with 50. So maximum position a worker can accept is 1. We just want each worker to do just one of those tasks. So worker will earn this amount. You could change that to 0.1. I like using 0.1. You can see these are my favorite: 0.1, 0.09, 0.13, 0.3. So these are my most used. So you could just use whatever works with your budget, and hopefully it's approved. So let's say 0.1 as usual. Okay, so you can see this will cost $5 to get 50 people to do whatever task you want them to do. Okay, then for the title, depending on, if for example, if we want to do YouTube views, we could just come here and type YouTube views. Okay, or let's say we want to app sign up, just come here, app install, and sign up. Okay, and then what do you want them to do? So first, go to Play Store. Okay, uh, search the app called Ozozo, for example. Download the app, sign up, and then send a video proof. Okay, all right, so that is that for that. What proof do you require? Maybe a screenshot. We need a screenshot of app installed on your phone. Okay, so that could be your proof. You could make a proof depending on what you want. And then secondly, we could a video proof that the app is installed. Okay, so this might be the two required proof you want. Then file format, you can select here that workers are required to upload files, as proofs. Microworker charges you 0.01 fee, pay, satisfied tax with proof. Then QT is optional, but you could still tick it. This is like kind of when checked, your campaign will be open for all workers who passed and failed QT test. You could also uncheck it, but I like checking it. Time to rate. How long is it going to take you to rate these workers? I like keeping it at 3. You'll keep it at 1. The lesser, the better. So people want to do your task. You see, use tutorial 7 days or less to encourage workers to participate in your campaign. If your campaign needs more than 7 days, please provide a clear reason for such requests. So normally you could just do that 2, 3, or etc. This will make people want to, complete your offers fast, and then you make more money on the other end. Okay, so having done all of that step by step, you can see how easy it is. You just come here and then submit campaign. Okay, so you can see we will review the campaign and approve it. This might take more than 24 hours and all that. So as simple as that. So see all campaigns. This is the campaign we just did right now. I don't want it to stand, so I'll just come in right here. You can see my budget dropped to 56. I'll just come in right here and say stop. You can see go to Play Store, search Zozo and all of that. So I'll just come here and say stop, because I don't want that to stop this campaign. Yes, I want to stop that. Okay, so my budget has returned to 62 where it was earlier. So guys, that is simply how you can come up here to this platform and then set up a job campaign for freelancers to come get it done. I've watched several YouTube videos and no one actually really took this step-by-step approach to showing you how you can get this done. That's the main reason why I decided to make this video, just to help you in case you're looking to hire on this platform and then you having issues. The link to create an account in case you don't have a micro work account is right below this video. So please use the link to get your own account, and then follow the steps I just showed you to make your own hires, and I look forward to your responses. If this video really helped you, do well to leave a response, thank you response, and all of that down in the comment section. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much.